What's up, guys? Back with another video. Right now, we're gonna go over the trading markets that I have for this week, and yeah, let's just get started. First, we got USD CHF. I actually really like this trade because, as you can see, on the weekly we don't have an area of interest, but we do have one touch right here, potentially two touch right here. But it's not a valid weekly area of interest. And then this area right here too, but this is from 2011 through 12, so it's not really valid, so that's why I only put a daily area of interest. So, but I still included the weekly doji because look at that nice doji, bro. Once you see that, oh my goodness, and we're at a lower high, beautiful, exactly what I wait for. And then daily we have hold on, let me remove this poker. In daily we have a beautiful doji as well, and we're at the daily area of interest. We had a beautiful daily engulfing this one, almost close to engulfing 2 days, but only engulfed 1 day. And then we had the daily EMA, which honestly not really, but by the next day that it does come back here, it might hit EMA, and then we'll go back down. And then we will have sorry for the background, guys. And then we'll have 4-hour EMA. We have 4-hour EMA hitting or pulling back. We have to break, retest, and then we have 4-hour head and shoulders right here, as you can see, left head, right shoulder, and then we broke through this, so we had a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Through this higher low, higher high, it broke, lower low, and lower high. That's why I have this right here. And then from here, we have a nice head and shoulders, retesting the 4-hour neckline, beautiful. 4-hour EMA, beautiful. And then we have shift of structure. So we go down to the 2-hour, and then we see right here lower high and lower low. Lower high, honestly, whatever. You know what, I'm gonna count this as a lower high. Lower high and a lower low. Then we broke through this point. Now we have higher high and higher low. And then we broke again, higher low, higher high. And then from this, we have a lower low, and you can either stay right here or right here, a lower high. So lower high, lower low. We already have the shift of structure. And then we would need an engulfing, which I put on one right here. USD, CHF engulfing, 1 hour, wait for retest. Enter off of engulfing. So this is the 2-hour, but the 1 hour as well, it would engulf this one and this one if we do enter right here. Or what I could do is it could engulf, and then I can wait for the pullback and wait for another engulfing just for more confirmation, depending on when this does happen. So, yep, there you go. There's a nice trade. USD CHF is pretty solid. I like it. Then we have NZD CAD, which right here it kind of does look choppy, but honestly it doesn't look like a bad trade either. So we have weekly bearish, we have weekly rejecting area of interest, weekly doji. As we can see, it's not really like a doji, but honestly it kind of is. You see those 2 wicks, so I count it as a weekly doji. And then we have a weekly head and shoulders. So we have left and the head, and then right shoulders. So this really wouldn't count as a head and shoulders, but we broke right here. We broke with this candlestick, and then we retested, and now we're having a doji right here. So right around here would be the neckline, pretty solid. And then we have daily at area of interest as well. So we're at the daily area of interest. We have a daily doji, as you can see. But honestly, I kind of don't like this right here because it could open up and just go up, you know. So I don't really like that. So I gotta watch out. But yeah, I do like this doji a little bit, but at the same time I don't. And then we have 4-hour EMA, which right here, I'm not sure if you should count, because if 4 hours bullish, you shouldn't really, I don't think you should really count in your confluence, but at the same time, like, it doesn't really matter because we have 2 times our frames in sync, so I guess we could add on to this. So we have a nice doji, we have a nice 4-hour EMA, and then we have shift of structure in the 2-hour. You see the lower high and the lower low. Sorry for the background, guys, but and then we have lower high, lower low as well. And then there you go. We're waiting for the engulfing, which I put in the line here as well. So yeah, kind of like the same thing. And then we have GBP CHF, which I'm waiting for. Is you see how we have a weekly bearish, and then we have daily bullish. So what I'm gonna wait for is for it to retrace back here, give me a confirmation like a doji or something, and then from this daily area of interest we pull up, and then right here I would exit because that would be the weekly area of interest, and we don't want to be in there, especially if we're gonna reject from this and use it as I'm sorry, bro, the taping in the back is because we're moving. Like, we got freaking big old freaking box. So my bad, y'all. We're moving right now, but yeah. But as you can see, this is a valid area of interest 1, 2, and 3, and then we're pulling back, and hopefully we can pull back right here. Maybe have a rejection. Honestly, it's kind of a risky trade, so I don't really recommend it, but I'm gonna just see how it goes. I just had this added, you know, just in case it does play out. So, and you know, so I have something to watch. And then we have GBP/JPY. Daily has to give me a doji. Okay. So right here we have a higher high and a higher low. So since we're at the higher high, we have a potential to, right here we already have a daily area of interest, and this is the weekly area of interest. So right here I'm waiting for just like a doji or something, and then probably I would go down to the lower time frames and then start looking for confluences to continue to go to the upside. And yeah, and then if it does not respect this area right here, I would wait for it to come back to the weekly area of interest, and then we take it up. And then yeah, 4 hours bearish, so I think it might come back down, but I'm not sure, and retest this EMA. But we're gonna see how it plays out. So I just have these stuff marked up because, you know, you want to have a good handful of trades for the week and see if some would play out or not. So, and this gives you more confidence because if it does play out, like, you know what you're doing. But then we have NZD USD. So we have weekly bearish, we have daily bearish, and then we also have 4-hour bearish. I don't know why I have this thing in bullish. Because sometimes I'm not organized, but as you guys can see on the charts, bro, we have some news coming up. So I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Do not want to be in the markets. But we'll see how next week plays out, because yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's just my confluences for this week. I'm waiting for this to pull back up, which it might, because it closed with a doji at the bottom, so we might have a push up, touch EMA, and then from here wait for a daily rejection. Then the next day we'll probably take it. But yeah, that's my review for the markets. I'm not saying I'm correct. This is my knowledge based off 1.5 years, and I'm an upcoming profitable trader. So, and I'm about to buy the course. Right now, not right now, but soon. And y'all keep the fresh cut. You feel me? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? You feel me? Your boy looking fresh. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope you all have a great day. Hopefully, I gave y'all some knowledge. If you guys have some questions or anything, then I'm willing to help anybody, bro. Because I know how it feels to be so confused and have all these freaking unlimited questions. But I could throw out another video of how to break down everything from what I just said. This is just a quick recap of the week. But if you guys do need help, yeah, man, I'll make another video. But for right now, we're gonna see soon. I'm gonna throw out another video of the mistakes that I've done, and I've journaled everything right here. So I might see if I can. I'm gonna make it later, or I'm not sure. But yeah, keep in tune with me. You know what I'm saying? Keep up with the channel, and yeah, bro. Hopefully, I'm giving y'all some free sauce, and hopefully, I'm not like any other trader, like 17 years old, and I'm still unprofitable, bro. You're not alone, and yeah, bro. Like, it's gonna be all right, man. We're gonna get through this, and we're gonna be profitable like every day. And I'm gonna just spit so much sauce for the next video, but I'll save that for the next video so I don't hold up too much time on this video. So yeah, peace out, y'all. Thank you for your time, and yeah, just go down to the comment section. Let me know if there's any questions or if any concerns, anything you need help with. I got you. You know I got you. So all right, peace out, y'all. Thank you for your time, and yeah.